What's up, YouTube? Today I'm here with an unboxing video of my bundles from True Glory. So if you want to hear about these bundles, how I feel about the packaging and all that, please stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell so you can be notified every time I post, period. So let's get right into this video. Period. Okay, so I'm back and we're just gonna get into this hair. Period. So it came in a backpack like this, maybe a little logo or something, I don't know. I've been ordering from True Glory for like since I was 9th grade in high school, and I'm a senior going into college this year. So I've been ordering from her for a long time, so you ought to know what they say about their hair right now. So I came in a black bag like this. This is the first time I've seen them have a black bag like this. I guess they, you know, got new bags or something. But let's get right into this bag so I won't prolong the video. Okay, let's see what's up here. Okay, we're gonna pull out. Look. These bags are so cute. And like I said, I've been ordering from them. And this is the first time they had a bag like this. True Glory here. Like, they really need to have me as an ambassador though. Like, and this is the 20-inch. So I'm gonna take out the other one. Okay, all of them came in bags. So this is a 16-inch, and they got the length and the curl pattern on the back. And so they got the little ties on the side. So we just open it like this. Let's see what they got in here. Okay, they put nets over their hair, I guess, to protect it during shipping and stuff. And they have these little tabs. It also has the inches on there. And on the back it says Brazilian collection. Then they have their logo around here. This is the first time I've seen them with white logos too. White and black logos. They used to have like gold or something. I don't know. But here's the hair. This is the 16-inch. And it's really soft. And I'm gonna run my hands through it to see. I get no shedding from it. I'm gonna open the 18-inch one now. So these nets are kind of hard, but take that off. All right. So this is the 18-inch bundle. This is not the longest bundle I got, but this is the 18-inch bundle. Same applies. They're very soft. Like, and I get no shedding from these bundles. No, like, I was trying to find like a company, like another company to get my hair from, you know, because sometimes, you know, your company can be a little pricey, but I was like, I'm just gonna go ahead with what I know, because that other company might, you know, I don't know, mess me over. So I was like, I'm just gonna go with my same company. And that's what I did with my same company. So this is the last bundle I got. This is the 20-inch. So I got 16, 18, 20 of the Brazilian curly, and they had first and 15th sale. So yeah, I caught their I think first sale, their first limited sale on August 1st. And my hair came yesterday, which was August the 6th. So I ordered it on Thursday. It came on Monday. But I usually order on Monday and it comes on Wednesdays. but they're still fine though, because all I had to do was wait the weekend and it was here on Monday. And this is the 20-inch bundle, as you can see. So I'm gonna make this into a wig. I should have put on a little shirt though, so y'all can see. Like, I'm trying to look for something so y'all can see the length of it, but I don't see anything. But maybe y'all can see. I don't know, let me come close. So this may be how long it'll be, like right here. This is curly or whatever. But you know, I caught it on sale, and yeah, like this is high quality hair. Like, my wigs are made with True Glory hair, and my other wig, my body wave wig, I had that wig for, I want to say, going on 3 years, and it's still like the same. Like, the hair is still like on point. But y'all, this hair is so good. Let's get into whatever else is in the packaging. Okay. Oh, I forgot, I bought a clothes too, y'all. Of course, I never bought clothes from them though. I always bought my clothes just like from Amazon or something, because you know Amazon have good clothes, you just gotta find them. Yeah, and I'm gonna redo my clothes on my other week, so I'm gonna get that clothes from Amazon. So basically, y'all, it comes in thing like this. It had a net over it, but I think I just took it off. Oh, it's sewn still over there. Yeah, it had a net over it, and this say 16-inch closure, and it has a little baby hairs. And I don't know if the knots are already bleached or not. I don't know. I have to see when I get ready to make my wig. It's not pre-plucked either. It's not pre-plucked, nor is it pre-parted. So I'm gonna have to part it myself and stuff. But yeah, any kind of little. So yeah, that's the closure. I'm gonna sit there right there. And then it came with some instructions for the hair and a little thank you. It says, your bundles of joy are here. Thank you for your purchase. On behalf of the True Glory family, we thank you for your purchase and hope you enjoy your beautiful bundles. Stay in touch. We want to hear from you. Want free bundles? Follow us on Instagram at Original True Glory for a chance to win our monthly Beauty of the Month prize. I never participated in that. I think I should, because I've been shopping with them forever and they never disappointed me. So I just feel like they need to hire me, period. So on the back of the card is some instructions for maintenance, and it says, let's talk hair and maintenance. To prepare, they want you to, I read these prior, but they want you to co-wash the hair first and comb through it gently with wide tooth comb and let it air dry. Do not blow dry it. Okay. To maintain it, they want you to only use light oils between washes. And for the deep wave curly and kinky curly hair, which is me, mix the hair with water followed by a creamy moisturizer. And to define the curls, I want you to use a curl cluster or defining cream. I guess to define the curls. Yep. Okay. And to style, it say when combing, start from the tips of the hair, then work your way up. As we already probably know that. Use a heat protectant to blow dry. If you want to blow dry, use a heat protectant. You know, buy a heat protectant so you can put on your hair before you blow dry it. To reset wave and curl patterns, shampoo, condition, and scrunch hair with hands, like I guess like so. Scrunch hair with hands and allow hair to dry. Use fingertips to add volume, so I guess you want to do this and stuff. And they just give all their social medias on the bottom. Y'all can see that. But I know I follow them on Instagram. I don't follow them on, well, I do follow them on Facebook. I like their Facebook page. I don't follow them on Twitter, but I do follow them on Instagram. It's the Original True Glory. That's the only page they have. So go check them out. And yeah, and I think this company, yeah, it is based in Atlanta. I stay in Mississippi, so that's why it probably came so fast. It always comes so fast. Like, their store isn't in Atlanta, but it's in Georgia, but same difference. And yeah, their hair is amazing. I will be making this wig. Let me know if y'all want me.
Turns out I got really excited and I already did my wig, so no wig tutorial.
If you want me to do a review of this hair, like after like a month or so, I'll do that. So let me know in the comments. Please like, comment, like I said, and subscribe to my channel for more hit videos. And hit that notification bell so I can be notified every time I post a video. And that is it for my hair unboxing video. Okay? Cut it.